Hi guys, my name's Flaewel and today we're gonna unbox my new RØDE VideoMicro. So the RØDE VideoMicro is a very small and compact on-camera microphone, so you can slide it on top of your camera and it doesn't need additional batteries or another power source, so it's powered through the camera itself. And yeah, I think it's a very nice beginner microphone, and today we're gonna unbox it. So let's unbox the RØDE VideoMicro. But before we start, as always, I want to have a little chat about the video quality. So this right now is filmed with my new Canon 250D on the tripod, but the quality is not as good as I wanted it to be. But that's because I need to play around with the video settings a little bit more, and I think I need to invest into some lights, some studio lights or something. But yeah, let's just start the unboxing. So this is the packaging. On the front we can see a nice picture of the microphone itself. On the right side it states that it has 2-year warranty. It doesn't require any batteries, which is very nice. It's compact sized and there's a suspension mount included in the package, which in my opinion is great. On the back there are just some general information, another picture of the microphone itself, and here we can also see a little bit of the air, I don't know how it's called, air filter or something, and we have some information about the microphone itself. Then on the left side there's just a picture, and on the underside nothing really interesting, as well as on top of it. So let me just grab a little knife and open the package if I can do it. Yeah, let me just open it off camera. Alright. Now open it up without ripping the whole package apart. Alright. And first thing we see is this air filter that I talked about. And yeah, once we pull this plastic thing out, there's nothing left in the box. And now we just need to somehow get this open, but this shouldn't be too hard. Alright. So yeah, let's take a quick look at all the components. So we have the suspension mount, we have the connection cable. I think it's 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack. Then we have a little manual, whatever this is. I think it's for warranty reasons. And next up we have this absorb package, I don't know how they're called, and of course the microphone with the filter on top. And it's really in there, so yeah, you have to pull a little on it to get it out. So yeah, let's take a look at the connection cable first, if I can open it. So it's red and it has those like little it's like a little spring in between, so that's very nice. So it fits long, or it can go for longer distances, but it doesn't hang down from the camera. But yeah, this is the suspension mount. Yeah, this is the part which you can screw on top of the camera and then fit the microphone inside, so that like if you bump into the camera or something, or if the camera shakes a little bit, the microphone doesn't catch that. Yeah, that's what this mount is for. And then we have this filter again. I'm really not sure how they're called, but yeah, it's just if you want to film outside and it's windy, this will block out the wind a little bit. As you can see, there's the little Rode logo. And last but certainly not least, we have the microphone itself. So it's very, very small. And yeah, again, the Rode logo on there. And really nothing else. So the front, of course, is the microphone, and the back, there's the connector for the cable. So yeah, let's lay down all of the components again. As I said, the microphone, the wind filter, the suspension mount, and the connector cable. So yeah, this is all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing of the RØDE VideoMicro. The audio quality of this mic, I think it sounds pretty decent for the price. And yeah, so you can listen to it yourself right now, and also the intro was filmed with the RØDE VideoMicro in use. So yeah, I think I'm happy with it, and I especially like that the wind filter was included in the package. I didn't think they would send one as well, but yeah, again, thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.